When it comes to choosing the best email software for e-commerce, two platforms often come up, Moosend and Drip. Both have robust features, but which one really stands out when it comes to helping you grow your online store? Stick around, because I'll break down their strengths, weaknesses, and by the end, I'll tell you which platform I personally recommend. First up, let's talk about Moosend. Moosend offers a solid set of e-commerce features at an affordable price. One of the things that stands out is its automation capabilities. It's super easy to set up automated workflows like abandoned cart recovery, welcome emails, and re-engagement campaigns. Moosend also allows you to segment your audience effectively, which can help personalize your email campaigns. But here's the catch: while it offers automation, it's not as advanced as some competitors. The analytics, though useful, lack depth when compared to the more robust tools in the market. So, while it's great for basic e-commerce functions, it might fall short if you need more sophisticated insights. Next, let's look at Drip. Drip is often praised for its focus on e-commerce and customer relationship management. It's packed with features like advanced segmentation, behavior tracking, and the ability to create complex, multi-step workflows. One of Drip's biggest selling points is its integration with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. This seamless integration allows you to track customer activity in real time and send highly targeted emails based on behaviors, which is a massive advantage for e-commerce businesses. However, the platform can be a bit overwhelming for beginners, and it's more expensive than Moosend, especially if you're just starting out or have a smaller store. Now, the third thing to consider is the user interface. Moosend is pretty user-friendly and has a clean interface that's easy to navigate. You don't need a ton of experience to get started, and the drag-and-drop email builder is fairly intuitive. Drip, on the other hand, has a steeper learning curve. The interface isn't as polished, and it takes a little more time to get used to. But once you're comfortable with it, Drip's features become incredibly powerful. So, if you're looking for something straightforward, Moosend might be your pick. But if you're willing to invest some time learning the platform, Drip offers a more robust suite of tools. The fourth thing to keep in mind is pricing. Moosend is much more affordable, especially for smaller e-commerce stores. It offers a pay-as-you-go model that can be more cost-effective for businesses just getting off the ground. Drip, however, starts to get expensive as your list grows. The price increases as your subscriber count rises, so it might not be the best choice if you have a large list or expect rapid growth. This pricing model can get tricky, so you'll need to weigh whether the added features justify the cost. Now, Moosend does offer some integrations with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, but it doesn't go as deep as Drip. Drip allows you to sync your entire catalog, track customer behavior across different touchpoints, and send personalized recommendations based on purchase history. If your e-commerce business relies heavily on personalized experiences and tailored email campaigns, Drip definitely shines in this department. But again, that level of customization requires more effort on your part to set up. So, which one is better for e-commerce? Well, both Moosend and Drip have their merits, but after trying both myself, I found that if you want a truly tailored e-commerce experience, Drip is the way to go, especially for businesses that want advanced segmentation, personalized customer journeys, and seamless integrations with e-commerce platforms. That said, Moosend is still a great option if you're looking for something simple, cost-effective, and beginner-friendly. It's a solid choice, just not as robust when it comes to deeper customer insights. But if you're looking for a better alternative that combines all the features we've discussed and more, then I highly recommend checking out the link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial available and some exclusive benefits that you won't find elsewhere. So, give it a try. You won't regret it.